Ngike ngasho izolo bafethu ngathi indaba kaPeterson ayikho, kumele uPeterson bamhlalise ebhentshini. Bengicabanga ukuthi uda Cruz uzobona ukuthi no, isikhathi esifikile ukuthi uPeterson aqale from ebhentshini badlalise uRonaldo lina because uPeterson unama-mistake, but still bamqalisa uPeterson again i-mistake. Noma singayibeka singathi i-ground lenzeni, khipha ibhola mfethu if awukho comfortable. Already uyalibona iplayer liyeza kuwe, khipha ibhola simple. Uyenzile lento le, khona la iplayer beza kuye straight walikhipha kwaba yikhona, but-ke besebakorile already from i-mistake yakhe yena as a player noma as u-goalkeeper, as i-leader lalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-deserve better i-Kaizer Chiefs than ama-embarrassing mistakes from yena uPeterson. uPeterson sebuyele kulo Peterson lo esimaziyo. Ama-clean sheets wala season awasekho manje at all bafethu. Every game uyabona nje i-Kaizer Chiefs ishake. Ama-fans njalo ibhola maliya kuPeterson bewa-bit uncomfortable. Ama-fans besiwabona noma siwezwa ama-fans abhuwa laphana cause ayabona ukuthi lo mjida lona-ke manje asisamthembi at all. I'm just quoting ama-fans ukuthi maybe bewasho kanjani ngoba bewangekho unsettled. They were unsettled when they saw uPeterson ebamba ibhola laphana. They just wanted him to kick the ball. Mfethu, you're not a good, you're not uRonwen Williams. Well, uRonwen Williams nawo ama-mistake wakhe, but-ke wuye umuntu okwazi ukudlala comfortably from the back isikhathi esiningi. Uzoba nawo lawo ma-mistake lawo, but Peterson, you're not uRonza. You're not that guy. So this thing of everyone trying to play like le style saka Pep Guardiola ukuthi everyone has to play from the back and babuild from a-goalkeeper ukuthi ba-throwe bakwazi uku-eliminate maybe one player if lizolanda ibhola ku-goalkeeper and then bashaye i-counter attack fast ku-transition. This is not Europe bafethu. We don't have that intelligence in terms of ama-players. In fact, ama-players wethu a-treat-a yonke lento le ngathi i-hobby nje, into yokudlala bayenza uma bebhorekile because uyabona na ukuthi bayaphatha kanjani as ama-player, izinto abazenzayo if ba-off. So we don't have that bulletproof lokhu njani speed and i-style sokuthi okay, if they lose one player ngoba uye ku-goalkeeper sibalanda fast or sibaka-take fast. So Peterson akahlale phansi angayidlali i-next game uPeterson, ngeke bafowethu. uPeterson kusho ukuthi uzo-concede noma uzoba nama-mistake ayi-10 then bacabanga ukumdropha from lapho. I-team ilokhu idropha ama-points ngenxa yakhe. You cannot be donating kanje. Awuya-donate uPeterson. I think like 3 goals. Se-donate nje nga-3 goals lo mjida lo isizini intsha, brand new season. Star keeper for i-last season. Ngike ngayisho kodwa lento le ngathi maningi ama-players ku-Kaizer Chiefs abawanika ama-contract bangawa-deserve ama-contract renewals, but-ke babanika ngoba ngithi kuthiwa last season yabo baphefomile. Solomons, Kwenika, uPeterson, but bajaje ngesikhathi sabo sonke beku-Kaizer Chiefs maybe le 3 years yaku-Kaizer Chiefs baphefome kanjani, badlale kanjani. Uyabona ukuthi ama-performances wabo a-questionable, hhayi kancane bafowethu, kakhulu. Niyavumelana nami noma niyaphikisana nami bafowethu ukuthi uPeterson kumele adrotshwe? Ayikho phela lento.